What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. It's been a while since I vlogged with this camera, guys. So we're over here once again. Right over here, guys. Over here at well, I don't want to say it. Comment if you want to know. I might answer. But the view right there once again of the beautiful mountain, and you can see this nice swimming area right here. I already droned this place. Look at that, beautiful place. Look at that. And that's our little setup right there, guys. Got the kiddos playing in the fresh water. We got Ethan boy running around with Honey. And just a beautiful day, guys. Look at that. Look at the sky. Just a totally beautiful day, guys. I'm gonna jump in the water. I got the GoPro, so you guys are coming along. And yeah, I might do a time lapse. We'll see. I didn't bring the drone around. I didn't bring the drone this time around because I already, like I said, just check out my older video. I drone this place, this beautiful place. Yeah, really nice. Very, very nice. I think you're oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.